Welcome to the Onem Plus instructional video. Onem Plus is the handy tool designed to help you stay safe and maintain social distancing. The supplied box should contain the following: the Onem Plus, a universal clip, a 1 meter micro USB charging cable, a metal disc, a keyring attachment, an M4 screw. Now you will be shown how to attach the Onem Plus to your clothing using the supplied metal disc. Place the metal disc underneath the clothing you wish to attach the Onem Plus to. On the rear of the Onem Plus you will find a magnet. Attach this magnet to the metal disc through the clothing. And there you have it. Now you will be shown how to attach the Onem Plus to your jacket or hoodie using the supplied universal clip. Take the universal clip, align it as shown with the hole on the back of the Onem Plus. Use the supplied M4 screw to attach the two together. Tighten the screw. Now you can place it on your clothing as seen here. Now you will be shown how to attach the Onem Plus to your belt using the supplied universal clip. Take the universal clip, align it vertically with the hole on the back of the Onem Plus. Use the supplied M4 screw to attach the two together. Tighten the screw. Now you can place it on your belt as seen here. Now that you have determined how you will wear your Onem Plus, you will now need to determine the distance of the laser line from your body. This can be done using the supplied 1 meter micro USB charging cable. Unfold the cable, place it on the ground. This will determine a distance of 1 meter. Repeat this to apply your 2 meter distance. Charging your Onem Plus. Your Onem Plus comes with a rechargeable battery. To charge the battery, insert the micro USB connector into the charging port as shown. A red light will indicate the battery is charging. A green light will indicate the battery is fully charged.